In this short tutorial, I will show you how to hide apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. The latest version of iOS comes with a new feature that allows you to easily hide apps from your home screen. This can be really handy if you want to keep certain apps private and maintain your privacy. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Then make sure the passcode and Face ID features are enabled on your device. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app. What you want to do next is find the app that you want to hide. For example, let's say I want to hide the Snapchat app. To do that, simply long press on the app icon, and then tap Require Face ID. And then tap Hide and Require Face ID. In order to hide an app, you also need to lock it with Face ID. If you want to, you can read this to get a better understanding of how hiding apps works on iOS 18. Simply tap Hide App. Now that app is hidden and no longer visible on the home screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.